Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be unboxing our D24 membership box. So it is called Magic and Mystery. So we should have a mystery item in here. So I did purchase the dual plan.
Gold member.
Yeah, since I purchased it, we only get one box. But Angel is on there as well because you can have a guest on there. I think now for 2025 it has changed. Also, what I did not realize is that when I purchased this, I purchased it when we were at Epcot on New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
So December 31st, 2024. So we got the 2024 box.
Not the 2025 one.
So if you guys ever think about doing or like becoming a D23 member, I would recommend not doing it the day before the year ends. Because then you'll end up with the 2024 box.
The 2025 box is pretty cool because it comes with the pins and the shirt.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes with a few different things. But this box is really cute. Like, it's so cute. You can, like, I think I'm actually just gonna kind of keep it for like a keepsake or put some stuff in there because it's a pretty,
nice box.
It's like a good quality box. I mean, it's just a box, but still. So what we're gonna do is get on in. So we did kind of open it already just so that we wouldn't be like fidgeting with things, trying to like open them. But you do get a membership. Let me take it out. Sorry. You get a membership letter right here. And it's signed by Michael Vargo. So this one is mine right here. It came in with the box. You also have a
card.
D23. Okay. Okay. A D23 card. Has your D23 number on the back. It says when you're a member and then when it expires. So there's that. Angel also got one too. It looks exactly like mine. He has the card, and then he also has the welcome letter as well. The only thing that I haven't received yet, and mostly because I haven't picked it out, is the free gift. So you get all of this. You get everything in this box when you become a D23 member. But then they also give you an additional gift. You just have to pick out which one you want. I just haven't taken the time out to do that. So yeah, let's get on into it. So it looks like we have a deck of cards.
Mystery cards.
Magic and Mystery. Yeah. Okay, so I said that we did open things. I don't know how we forgot to.
We never opened the cards.
Open the cards.
One thing I opened the cards.
It's really cute. It's like a turquoise and gold color. The way my nails be working, they're not working.
Yeah, me too.
You have no nails.
Oh, yeah. That's why. Got it.
Oh, so fancy. Look at Cheshire Cat. And on the back, you have a D23, and it's white with some gold embroidery. Should I open these?
Up to you.
Okay, I'm going to open them because I want to see. All right. So, these are cute. Look at it. You cannot tell me that's super cute. Tinkerbell. And then these ones are just basic. You have your spades, but you have Ursula. Oh, you have Jack and the Pumpkin King. The Fairy Godmother. These are cute. You have the Queen of Hearts. Oh, look it. That's cute. That's Mufasa. Oh. Oh my gosh. I mean, from Pinocchio? Oh my goodness.
I don't know.
I can't think of her name. Don't come for me, please, because I don't know. But yeah, so there's like a few things on here. Check this out. We've seen him at We seen Hades at
Halloween for
oh my goodness, Oogie Boogie Bash. So he was fun. He's very, very clever. I think they all are. All the characters are when communicating with you. So kudos to them because Biggie, no. Sorry, our dogs are kind of running in and out. And then we did receive in this little pouch some pins. So we have, actually, we take these out.
Want to take them off?
Yes. So we have Maui's hook. Or maybe I won't because my nails, again, are not working. They're pretty heavy. Like, super heavy. Thick. Like, these are super cute. These are going to go in Angel's. What do you have? It's like a collector.
My pink collector bag.
Yeah, so like it has like it opens up. I'm pretty sure everybody's seen it. It's the gray Mickey Mouse one. We have Ernesto de la Cruz's or Coco's guitar. So that one's really cute. But yeah, these are gonna go in his little bag. 'Cause he's the pin collector.
Pin collector, not trader.
Yeah, he doesn't ever trade. So let's see.
Put these back. Let's see. The first one is.
So everyone, I believe, gets this one right off the bat, which
it's different ones.
This one.
It tells you what you could get and what you can't get. You get these 4 characters, one of these 4 characters, 2 of the 4 characters, and then the different pins. So we got these 2. You get any one of these pins or any one of these characters.
I thought you get the Sorcerer's Apprentice.
No, not automatically. You can get these right here. These are different ones you can get.
Well, let's pull them out. Aw, look it. That's so cute. Oh, he a little thick. Look at that. Look at him. So freaking cute. And then our mystery.
The mystery magic one.
Mama Odie. Yay. Oh, she thick too. Look at that. Super cute. Oh, these are gonna look good when we put them up right now. Let's see. And I think that's everything that you get in the box.
Everything in the box, yes.
So you get some good goodies. I need to make time to do the gift. So when you do the dual 2024, you just get to add somebody onto your membership. So obviously I added Angel onto my membership. You get like exclusive discounts. You get access to like D23 things, which we've already taken advantage of one of them. We were not able to film that, but it was pretty neat just to kind of be a part of it.
Oh yeah.
It was just like a tribute to
just the brothers.
The Sherman brothers.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it was really neat to like be logged in and be a part of that. We are going to be going to D23 in Orlando, Florida. It's going to be held at the Contemporary Resort. I want to say it begins August 28th through the 1st, September 1st, I believe.
Contemporary, I thought it was Coronado Springs.
Sorry, Coronado Springs, scratch that. It is Coronado Springs, not Contemporary. I'm looking right now just to make sure that I got the dates right on that. But yes, Coronado Springs. So we are looking into that. You get some pretty cool perks with Destination D23 as far as like group rates, tickets, and stuff like that. So yeah, so it's August 29th through the 31st of 2025 at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort at Walt Disney World. We have stayed at Coronado Springs before.
Really pretty resort.
It's a beautiful resort. It is very massive.
Oh, yeah,
we did get lost New Year's Eve. It wasn't even New Year's Eve. By this time, New Year's had already passed. We had actually left Epcot a little bit before midnight because I didn't want to fight the crowds. So what happened was we went to the Three Bridges bar. Amazing, highly recommend. When we go back, we will be doing a review for that or on that for you guys. But we ended up hanging out there. They had some fireworks, not as much as like.
They had like a little party for the kids there. And
right, they had a lot to do there for like the
Yeah.
families. If you didn't have to just be at the bar to enjoy it. They had a lot of stuff like outdoors for the kids. But when it came time to leave, we ended up, when we left, we went left instead of right. And then I had to use the restroom very, very bad. And so we ended up on the main road, like on the side of the hotel. I don't even know what we were doing. We finally made it all the way around. It took us about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, because we had no idea where we were going. We made it into one of the conference areas, like on that side of the hotel. And then we finally were in an area that we recognized by the food court. And so we went to the restrooms in there. And then we finally asked for help because that was the first worker we seen, because when we went on this adventure of ours, we ran into no cast members because, again, who's walking at like 1 o'clock in the morning like that?
We did.
Yeah. So we finally we were inside. We got directions. We made a right like they told us to, and we still got lost. So finally, we found security, and he was on his little. No, he was on a golf cart, wasn't he?
No, he was walking.
Was he?
He was walking. He walked us to the room.
Yeah, he walked. He made sure we got into our room, okay? Because we told him all about our adventure. He's like, you know what? I want to make sure you guys get back into your room because I don't want you guys having to walk around the entire hotel again. Because he was laughing at us.
It's a really big resort.
It is. It's big. It's beautiful, and I know you guys probably heard this a lot, but you really do get a lot of bang for your buck. It's kind of staying at a deluxe resort, but at a moderate price point. I'm wondering if they will in the future end up putting it in as a deluxe resort, because that's truly what it feels like when you are there. The rooms are beautiful, immaculate, like. It's just, it's just a beautiful resort overall. And they do have a lot to offer, yeah. We ended up going to Rick's, I think it's called, for breakfast, and we had the Mickey chicken waffles.
Oh, yeah.
That was when they first came out last year, or the year before.
Did Mom did? Somebody ordered them. Or we ordered
them? We ordered them, and then we split them between all of us. Yeah. So we could just try it, because there was like 6 of us. It was me, Angel, my mom, Maya, my little brother Jaden, and my brother Rudy that had went to Disney World for Christmas. So yeah, we ordered that. I don't know if I have any pictures. If I do, I will post them on here. I know I have pictures from that trip. Just don't know if I have any pictures of the Mickey waffles, but if I do, I will post them on here. All right, so that is all that we have for you guys today. We look forward to taking you guys with us on our next adventure. If you guys do like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please hit that notification button. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.